Hello viewers, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to sort by number in Google Sheet. So let's start the video. First, open your Google Sheet containing the number you want to sort. Now click on the column containing the number. Now go to the data menu at the top of your screen. In the data menu, select Sort Sheet. Now you can choose to sort A to G for ascending order or G to A for descending order. Now click on it. That's it, you have learned how to sort by number in Google Sheets. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.